what a wonderful turnout we got here today. Talk about bikes, ancient and modern. I'm really drooling over the interesting stuff here, especially the couple. There's a gold star there, we'll have a chat about later. But we want to go back to some of the old stuff. Lovely old Sunbeam there, another famous British make. But the oldest bike here today is this famous machine here, that I'm not going to tell you much about because we've got a knowledgeable chap here, who's Rodney Han. He is the chairman of the Dorset section of the Vintage Motorcycle Club. Morning, Rodney.
Yes, good
Now
morning.
you tell us a little bit about this one.
This is a 1901 Ormond. It belongs to a gentleman in Sherborne, Nigel Sims. It's the very first machine ever registered in Dorset.